What's up guys, this is Eddie with WTI. Now, if you're in the market for a pair of very good compression socks that are very colorful and stand out, these are highly recommended by me. Now these are a nice hot pink made by Sparthos, and the material is fantastic. It's very stretchy, it's breathable, but it also is very much of a compression sock. And the best thing about this is that it goes all the way up to your knees. So that means your whole calf area is covered, it's protected, it's compressed, and it allows you to go and run faster and longer. In my case, I like to pair them with my Adidas shoes just because they kind of match, and I like running with them. Even if it's on trail or on concrete, it doesn't really matter. My legs feel great after I wear these socks. And once I take them off, I've noticed that it doesn't give that compression feel. It just feels like you feel comfortable. You know, it doesn't feel like it was overly compressed, which is a great feeling. These socks are great. I highly recommend them. If you're looking for something colorful, something playful, and something that works, Sparthos is the way to go. I've actually owned a couple of other things by this brand, and they're fantastic. And that's my point of view.